I want to see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Woo.
You probably haven't seen snow like this since May.
It's still snowing. My goodness.
Yeah, you probably haven't seen snow like this since May, huh, Grandma?
Go play.
I won't be able to go off.
Oh, look at this. These are stairs that normally...
Oh, boy, is he happy.
You can't even see his tracks from yesterday. Mikey, is that fun? Mikey, wave to Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mama. Oh, Mike, maybe you should go get his other sock. He just lost his. These ones aren't very tight.
Where did it go?
I don't know. We'll find it when it melts, I guess. Ooh, Daddy. Can you go get it before his hands freeze off?
You can get down there and grab him.
No, he's fine.
Grab Sook.
Let me see, Mikey. Let me see your face. Mikey. Go, let me see. No, let me see your face. Mikey, let me see your face. The snow is as tall as he is. There you go. That's Mom and Dad's little garden right there. Yeah. Are your hands too cold?